Hi, this is Jose. I want to talk about belts today. When they're produced, they have to be cut, and usually they turn out straight. Every once in a while, who knows why, it could be something wrong with the machinery or they're not loaded up correctly. The belts aren't cut straight, and I get calls sometimes and people will ask me what's going on. Their belt is wobbling, and I have to explain to them it's not the machine, it's the belt. And well, there's only one way to show you guys. Here's a KMG, and we know this is a machined grinder, and not one of mine, but so I'm using a KMG just to show what these belts do. Okay, I'm going to start this one up. Let me slow it down. So you see the belt moving side to side there. That is actually about 1/8. You can see over here. This is a cork belt. So it is moving by itself. This isn't anything to do with the grinder being straight or the tracking wheel being off, this is just the way a belt is cut. So let me move it to the side a little bit, and you'll be able to see the edge of the wheel. You can see it jumping back and forth. Okay, let me stop it and put a different belt on. This is a 3M 120 grit. These are usually cut pretty nice, but I found it doesn't really have to do with the manufacturer as much as just the way they're cut sometimes. Okay, let me push this tool rest in, and we'll start this one. Now this one is almost dead on. It does have a little bit side to side. That side to side is, let's turn it up and I'll be able to tell. That is about a 16th. On this side it's less, but it's still there. Okay, let's change belts. This is a less expensive silicone carbide belt, 320 grit. Okay, let me start this one. Whoa! So you can see this one is moving quite a bit. This is probably about 3/16. Okay, let's move to another belt. This is a 3M 320 302 J-Flex. Okay, let's see what we got here. This one is also moving side to side, but not much. This side it looks, well, about a 1/16 there. This side is moving about a 1/16 always. Also. So you can see out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 belts, we have got wobbles in all the belts, and I'm using a KMG grinder. And the reason I'm using a KMG grinder instead of mine is because they're very good grinders, and they are machined, and they're usually dead on. This machine is dead on, precisely made. So you can tell that when you get one of my machines and it's moving side to side, it's not because there's something wrong with it or I took shortcuts or something's crooked. It's because of the belt. Okay, thanks for watching.